Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Wonder Woman from DC Superhero Girls. So let's get started. To draw this awesome superhero, let's first start by drawing her face. So I'm going to come right here and basically draw the bottom of a U. I'm going to come right across, right here, and connect it. So now that I have this done, let's come back to the edge right here where we started and draw a circle for the eye. And same thing on the other side. Go right here, towards the edge. And let's make them draw so cute eyes. So I'm going to come in here with two small circles for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. So thank you cuties for all your love for my DC Superhero Girl series. I've drawn Batgirl, Supergirl, and now Wonder Woman. So definitely let me know in the comments below what other DC Superhero Girls you want me to draw. And I think these are so awesome. So hopefully you love them so far. Okay, so these huge eyes in. And I'm going to come to the side and draw some lashes. So just nice and simple, maybe just two. And same thing here. Might have gone a little big on the eyes. And then the smile. So about right here, just going to curve and cap it off. So then from there, let's see. Let's come over to the side. We're going to draw the ears first. So about in this area, let's draw a curve for the ears. Draw two curves inside for some detail. And let's do the same thing on the other side. Then let's bring this up a little bit more. And now we're going to start to frame her face right here and with a crown and her hair. So I'm going to start right here and draw a curve, the first curve, and same thing here. Just draw a curve that comes down. And then in this area, right in the center, I'm just say about right here, I'm just going to give myself a point. And I'm going to bring a curve over. So this is her crown. Draw a curve. And what I forgot to do was draw her eyebrows. So let's come up about right here. And just give a soft arc. You can thicken it up if you like. And same thing here on the other side. Right here. There. Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish this crown. So come about right here. Go to your center again. So say about right here, I'm just giving myself another point. And using this point, I'm going to go ahead and connect the curve to the other side. And then right in the center, I'm going to draw a star. So with 5 points. And if you need help drawing a star, just check out my how to draw a star video. Just Google that. And so we have a star in there. Now we can go ahead and draw the top of her head. So it's kind of to the side, so it's about right here. I'll give myself a point. Nice and full. And I'm going to bring a curve down. So it's going to straighten out a little bit. As I come to the ear, I'm going to curve it out. So on this side, I'm going to go up and bring it down all the way around, nice and full. And then you can just get a little curve right here and bring it down. And on this side, I'll bring it out. And I'll stop there for now because I need to draw her body to make sure I know where to put her hair. So we're pretty much done with this, her head. Now let's draw her body. So nicely centered, about right here and here. Let's draw her neck. And we're going to bring this down for her shoulder. So I can't draw her shoulders, all of her shoulders, because she has this wing costume thing going on. So from there I'm going to stop. So now that's pretty even. I'm just going to make it to make it easier. Let's just imagine using this as my point, come down about right here and here, give it a good amount of space, and I'm going to draw a slight angle line down. So that's kind of like around where her armpits would be. And then from there, now I can draw this W wing thing. So let's come to the center, say about right here. And I'm just going to draw two angle lines, a point. And I'm going to bring this up for the wing, curl up and curl up. So that's what you want to start with first. So then now we can go up, bring this all the way out, round off the tip, bring it back in. So we're just kind of following. Same thing over here. Approximate. And bring it in. And then two angles just like the top. So we have that in. Now to draw the other rest of the wing. So it's come out right here. Draw a curve that comes in. And one more layer. So same thing over here. One layer and then one more. There. So by drawing this line right here, you just make sure that this doesn't go too far down. And then we have one more layer to go. So about right here, right in the center, draw two more angle lines and connect. There, the hardest part is done. Okay, so then let's bring this down a little bit more. Still angling out a little bit. And about right there, I'll stop and connect it with a curve towards the center. And thicken this band right here that she has. And then we can go ahead and continue this out. So let's just kind of flare it out a little bit more. So we're starting to draw her hips. Come down the center, give it a little bit space, and about right here, draw a slight angle line. From that angle line, we're going to pop out two angles, and we're going to start her legs. So let's bring this down and tapering as we go. So I'm having her legs kind of standing apart. So I'm going to work on this side first. So let's bring this down. Slowly build it back and forth. Okay, let's keep going. So she has these boots that she's wearing. So about right there, I'm going to start to draw the foot area. So I'm going to flare this out, round it off. It looks kind of weird, right? So it looks big. Hopefully it won't be. Then we give it a little curve right there. Round this off. And bring it right back in. So it's the same thing on this side. So this side's a little bit easier. So now we have something to follow. So we just bring this all the way down to the same level. About right there, and then same thing, just give it a little curve right there, and go out. Once again, curve it in, and same thing. And connect. Okay, so then now let's draw the arms before we draw all the other details. Whatever space you have in here, just connect it in. And so we're going to imagine this coming out as her shoulder. She has these sleeves, short sleeves. And connect. And before I forget, she has a stripe right here. So I'm going to draw that first. So same thing over here. Now for her arms. So I'm having them bent into her hips in this area. So just imagine this coming out, her arms. And let's bend them in. About there. And then in this area, just draw an angle line in towards her hip. And then this bottom part, just draw a little angle and give it a little curve right here for her fingers and in. It's just a simplified way to draw her hands. And so then draw a curve right there and another curve for her cuff. So same thing on the other side. So once again, same area. And then we're going to bend it in. Elbow, bring it in. And same thing right here, angle out. A little curve, little angle, and a little curve right here for the finger. And once again, another curve right here. And we have the other arm. And so then right here in this area, let's just tuck in her rope. I'm just going to draw this little curve. Just a simplified, just an indication. There. So then now let's finish her boot right here. So about in this area, I'm going to cut it off with a curve. And then this curve right here is going to come down, all the way down, kind of following your this curve right here, and then in this area, curve across. And just go ahead and thicken it. So same thing over here. So curve and a curve. Going this way. And so this is going to come down all the way. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and curve it across. And she has these little wings right here on her boot. So I'm going to come right here and just draw 3, 2, and 3. Same thing here. 1, 2, and 3. And so then there are there's a stripe right here. And I can bring this down for some detail. And cuties, if I'm ever going too fast, please pause the video and hopefully that will help. And she has some stars right here. So I'm just going to kind of make it look like there's stars on the edge right here. As you get in this area, it gets smaller, it doesn't really matter. It's just indication, something. Okay, And let's see here, arm sleeves, and then her hair. So let's bring this down. Gonna give it a little curve, but right there, and just tuck it in. So same thing here, we're just gonna tuck it in about the same area, about right there. And am I missing anything? Hopefully not. Oh, maybe just like a little, let's see here, right, lightly draw it. There's two line right here in the center that I just wobbled. But that is pretty much it, and I really hope I made this fun and easy for you to follow along with me, and this inspires you to draw Wonder Woman as well. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it and I helped you out, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.